Okay, so I get up in the middle of the fucking night. What time is it? It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. And no fucking clue what's going on over here. There's been some weird shit happening lately in the house. This is what I did yesterday. When I left the basement yesterday, I left one of the lights on. Didn't turn it off. Come out here. And this is pretty much what I see. As you can see, every drawer, everything is open. The fridge is open. The cupboards, everything is open. Even the stove. But why? It's trippy.